Here's a 2008 Honda Civic Sedan. Get more mileage out of every drive with this Civic. It comes with great features you'll love. Auxiliary audio input, power windows, air conditioning, power mirrors, manual tilting steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Los Angeles Times describes it as packed with safety features, everything from compatibility-minded body structures, helping to protect occupants in collisions with heavier, higher vehicles such as SUVs, to an energy-absorbing hood to help lessen impacts to pedestrians. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.